Hi class, it's me again, Erin. I just wanted to make a short video to check in with you this week because this week and next week are just a little bit different than our normal modules. So first, the new thing this week is that it's midterms. So I would like you to complete the midterm evaluation. This evaluation was emailed to you on Friday, October 4th and needs to be completed by Friday, October 11th. This is something that the university sent out and they set the deadlines, which is why they don't align with our normal module due dates. And your feedback on the course at midterm is really helpful to me as an instructor because it helps me determine if any changes are needed to the course for the rest of the semester. So please complete this before Friday. The second thing I want to touch on is that fall break is coming soon. So if you look at our schedule here from this syllabus, you'll see that Module 7, which is our current module, ends on Sunday, October 13th. And then the Monday and Tuesday after that, October 14th and 15th, are fall break. So no assignments are due on those days. So hopefully you can take a little bit of a break, relax for a couple of days, and know that you don't have to do anything for class on those days. Because fall break is on a Monday, Tuesday, this means that our next module, Module 8, and the modules following that, they're going to start on a Wednesday from now on. So they'll start on Wednesday. Module 8 will start on Wednesday, October 16th, and end on Tuesday, October 22nd. So all the same rules still apply for assignments and everything in the discussion board, meaning you should still make your first post by the third day of the module, still need to post on 3 different days of the week, and so on. And I've not necessarily used a Wednesday to Tuesday schedule in any of my previous courses, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll be interested to know your feedback and if it's going okay. But I really wanted to honor fall break and give you those 2 days off so you can just have a breather from class before we jump into the second half of the semester. So that's it for me. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to talking with you again this week on the discussion boards. See you later.